Hi, in today's video I want to show you how to copy files such as photos, videos, and documents from your cell phone to PC without internet, mobile data, and USB cable. All we need is the Share It app, so make it sure that you downloaded and installed it on your cell phone and on your laptop. I already did that, so I will proceed right away. So the first step is to open the Share It app on your laptop. So double click the shortcut, then it will display the QR code. So the next thing to do is to find the Share It app on your cell phone, then open it. Okay, so close those ads to see the dashboard. So this is the dashboard of Share It. So at the top right portion of the screen, you will see the plus icon. Tap it and click connect to PC. Then it will show the QR code scanner. Scan the QR code on the laptop and it will connect the cell phone to your laptop. So once you see the dashboard of Share It on your laptop, it means that they are connected. So you can proceed in copying the needed files that you want to copy. In order to do that, all you have to do is tap the icon at the bottom leftmost portion of your screen on your cell phone. Go ahead and tap that. Okay. So then browse all the files you want to copy. So the files are saved by day. So all you have to do is click the circle at the date it is saved, so that you don't have to click it one by one. So all files are selected. Then tap next. So as you can see, Share It is now copying all the files that you selected. So that's how simple to copy all those files. Also, it is more faster and more convenient to use, and there is no limit in the capacity of the files you want to copy, unlike in our previous uh, task. When we copy the files, we attach it to email and send it to our own account. So then there is limit also in Messenger. But in Share It, there is no thing like that. So you can copy as many files that you like. And it is more faster. Okay, so I think it's done. The copying is finished. The total capacity copied is 245.3 MB and the time is 1.3 minutes. To check, click the three dots on each file and click Open Containing Folder. Then, as you can see, all the files are copied. So that's it. That's how to copy files such as photos, videos, and documents from cell phone to laptop. Okay, you may close now the application on cell phone and also on your laptop. Thank you.